Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm showing you a recipe that I've done in the past, but today I'm switching it up with using Tabitha Brown's Sunshine Seasoning. I'm also switching out the veggies, adding some buttered noodles. So if you're interested, please keep watching. I also added a little bit of Kinder's The Blend, which is salt, pepper, and garlic, just for my liking. You don't have to do that, but I just wanted a little bit more salt in there because Tabitha seasoning does not have salt. So keep that in mind. So I'm going to go ahead and add spinach on top of here. And once you do, go ahead and cover it and let that cook down to the way that you like your veggies. I like mine a little soft, but also a little tender. This smells so good. I cannot wait to try it. So here I'm adding some of the sauce from the pot over the veggies, the sausage, and the buttered noodles. So after trying Tabitha's seasoning, I would give it an 8 out of 10 only because it did lack the fruity taste. I did not taste any mango or pineapple. However, there is a lot of spice, so be mindful. I would use it again, but it was too much of a kick for my kids. But let me know what you think. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.